How to watch deleted YouTube videos. This tutorial shows you how to try finding a video that's since been removed or made private using official channels only. First, open your browser and go to google.com. After that, paste the exact title of the deleted video into the search bar, along with the channel name if you know it. From there, press enter to search. At this point, check the Videos tab within the search results, since Google sometimes indexes video titles even after the original has been removed. In the next step, if the video was re-uploaded by the same or another creator, it may appear here as a working link. Following this, if you know the creator's channel, go directly to youtube.com and open their channel page instead. Once done, check their community tab or playlists, since creators sometimes reorganize or re-upload content there instead of the original video. From here, if the video was part of a series, check nearby videos on that channel, since deleted content is sometimes referenced or linked within newer uploads. At this stage, keep in mind not every deleted video can be recovered, especially if it was privated by the creator or removed for a copyright or policy violation. Keep in mind, respect the original creator's decision to remove content, since some videos are taken down intentionally. Finally, if none of these methods work, the video is likely unavailable, and that's usually a deliberate choice by the creator or YouTube. And that's it. If this guide helped you understand how to watch deleted YouTube videos, give it a like, subscribe for more Windows tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.